Hello everybody, today I proudly present DESK15. DESK15 is a complete new software for the Swissmicros calculators DM-15 and DM-15L. And maybe you know DESK42, the big brother. It's a software suite for the DM42. The DESK15 consists of 6 applications. The really powerful complex number calculator Plex, a symbolic calculator Flex, even a spreadsheet is on board called Rex. There is also a tabletop calculator to calculate real large numbers. There is a sliderule simulation and even a small text editor called Dex is on board. Let's go to Plex, the complex number calculator. You can enter 2 real numbers, convert them to one complex number, view this number in polar coordinates or in rectangular coordinates. You can calculate with this calculator like it's a real number calculator, and if you only want to see the real part, you can even switch to the bigger font like this one. What's really good is the function. You can record, like a tape recorder, you can record a function, see the recorder symbol, like square to minus, stop it, and you can calculate this function with run stop. And even solve this function, this is the root, calculate the integral, and you can even plot this function in these ranges. Okay, you can leave Plex, go to Flex. You can, for instance, enter one number, and you see there is a symbolic formula on the top. You can even edit this formula. The next is Rex, the spreadsheet. Here you can see there are some numbers and cells, and you can even try to edit this cell and, for instance, make a relation to the first cell and times 2. Make some other cell. The next one is the tabletop calculator for real and large numbers, even some decimals. Okay, that was too much. You can do it without the dot, or you can even do some calculations in hex format. The next one is a funny thing. That's a slide rule simulator, and you can, for instance, calculate 2 times 3 equals 6. That's more for fun. Let's go to the text editor, text. Here you can enter and edit some text, whatever you like. Okay, that's all for now. Have fun with this application and bye-bye.